There you go, buddy.
Dad, can you tell me a story?
Here's a good one. Once upon a time in a faraway land, there was a brave knight who also happened to be a pretty cool dad. He was sent on a mission from a beautiful queen, a scavenger hunt of sorts.
What are you doing?
He requested a story, so I'm delivering. I think you're gonna like this one too. Now, the brave and handsome knight worked tirelessly to complete all of the queen's requests. He was on his final task to complete the mission for the queen when he ran into an evil wizard blocking his path.
There we go. Sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that. Thanks, appreciate it.
And with the knight's great strength, he defeated the wizard! Finally, the knight saved the day by discovering the hidden treasure of baby products.
Sorry. That aisle isn't hidden. I told you exactly where to look.
No one knew where it was until the knight found it. And as he left, he shouted for everyone to hear, Kroger has a baby aisle.
Woo! Okay. Oh. So sorry. Yeah!
Everyone thanked him. The end.
That is a terrible bedtime story.
But it worked. The dad who got it all done.
Woo! We got diapers. Okay, shopping's done. I'm going home. You like shopping? Okay.